There could be more to that, but that's all I've learned of that. It was kind of out of left field. Just adjust my lights here. Uh, Hello everybody, welcome back. It's been a little bit. So I had a different Mary Poppins song stuck in my head all day yesterday. And I figure usually when I get something stuck in my head, I'll sit down and I was like, okay, let's see what I can figure out. And I sat down with it, and it didn't work. It doesn't work on a Merlin. Not yet, anyway. Not that I found. When I started looking around other Mary Poppins songs, because why not? Why can't we do that on a Merlin? And I came across Chim Chimney. Chim Chimmery? Chim Chimmery? Chim Chim. I want to restart this video right now after that. And it kind of works on a Merlin. So we are capoed up on the 2nd fret. And it's pretty much straightforward. We're not going to cover any chords in here because we're not playing any chords. We're doing all single notes. Tab's already done, so that will be out tomorrow. Yeah, both of these will be out tomorrow. Let's just jump right into it. Alright. So I get rid of my stools. Oh, I like my new chairs. I found these ugly chairs with no arms on them, which is the best thing ever. No more freaking stools. So again, kind of playing with my camera angles again. Let's bring this up a little closer. See, the problem is I don't leave it set up all the time. I always move it and when I'm not filming, so it never stays the same. Okay, so we got 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. There's 5 parts total, but part 1 and part 3 are the same. That's the... And then parts 2 and parts 4 are exactly the same except the very last note. And then part 5 is that's just the tag along at the end. So basically 3 parts, because they don't change that much. First part. So that was part 1 and part 2. So let's just do part 1, or first part. So that's the first part. So we're on, so capo, so everything is going to be relative to the capo, meaning this is fret 1, fret 2, fret 3, right? So we're going to be fret 3 on the low and then open on the high. And we're going to do down, up, down. 3 notes. Do it twice. Then it's that's it. That's part 1 and 3. Part 2 and 4, like I said, the very last note changes. So it starts. No, sorry. See, I already tabbed this out. So why am I not following it, right? If you guys want a quick look at it before it's posted, you can pause it. So that's part 2. Part 2 ends up in the high. Part 4 ends up on the low. That's the only difference. So let's do that slowly. And the second time you do it, you just go to the third instead of going to the high open. So part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4, and then the last part. So a slight bend. There's a note there we don't have, right? So we got bend into it. So that's the beginning. That's it. It's one of those ones, sounds a lot harder than it actually is, but when you sit down and break it down, like, right, it's like we said in the past, right? Most of these songs just repeat over and over again. It's the melody line is in a follow, and when you listen to the whole thing, and like there's so much there, but it's really not. It's 3 parts with a little variation on that one. That's it. So not as bad as you would think, right? I'm gonna keep the capo at this for a while and just play around with this. It's I don't know, see what I can find in this. Oh yeah, practice, patience, have fun. We'll see you guys sooner than last time. Actually, right now. I'm gonna do another one right now. We'll see you guys soon. Thank you. Bye. Thank you. Bye. It's like I'm hanging up the phone. Oh, can I just like chop this off? But that's editing. I don't like doing that. Practice, patience, have fun. I'll shut up now. See you later. And now it won't turn off.